Hello everybody, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed my little canoe trip in the morning. I woke up very early today and I went off before the daylight, and I got the canoe in the water about 7 o'clock maybe, and it was in the something between dark and daylight, so it wasn't that bad. But it's very foggy today, so it was quite cool, quite fun to do this canoe trip. I was hoping to see some beavers, but it seemed like they were sleeping, all of them, in that big house. So no beavers, no moose yet. Now I have established a web page for Norwegian Bushcraft. It's NorwegianBushcraft.no and also .com. So it's not too much there yet, but there's something, and I'll try to hold it alive during the time. And I'm also back on Facebook. I changed my whole profile and went offline in 2008, but now I'm back on Facebook, both personal, and also I established a community on Facebook. It's called Norwegian Bushcraft. You find it at facebook.com/NorwegianBushcraft. So it's open for everyone, and please visit and take a look. It's not much there yet, but I'll try to. When I upload a new video, I'll also put it on to that page, and maybe some other stuff too. So that's the intention. But the page is open, so you can leave comment, you can add pictures and stuff like that. Yeah, if it fills up with bullshit, I will remove some of it, that's for sure. But hopefully it will be a place where you can follow Norwegian Bushcraft. Well, for now this webpage are only in Norwegian, but you may press that Google Translate button and it will be translated, maybe not perfectly, but good enough so it's possible to understand. In the future I hope to have these buttons on the webpage, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. My intention with this web page is first of all, I bought this domains, this .no and .com, to secure that no one else does, because it's kind of my brand name, Norwegian Bushcraft. So I had to secure that, because I've seen other pages and other things also called Norwegian Bushcraft, but I can also see that they have done that after I did that. And before I chose that name on my YouTube channel, I googled it a lot and was searching for days to see if someone else was using that name, but no one was, at least not on the internet. So I'm pretty sure I was the first, and I want to secure that name because that's what I want to hold on to, if you understand. This fall my channel reached 10,000 subscribers. I am very thankful for that. Thank you all subscribers. I'm very pleased and honored to have you all visiting my channel. And I didn't do any subscriber giveaway on the 10,000. It just went beyond my head, and I didn't. Well, time flew away. And I also do have a big problem finding a good competition theme or something to get people to participate. So once again, thank you everyone. I'm really happy, and I really hope that more people subscribe. Still, my channel are not filled with any commercials and stuff. I have been thinking about it, but I haven't done it yet. I don't know if I ever will do it, but we'll see. We'll see in the future what happens. Well, tastes good. Well, nowadays the daylight fade away very quickly, so when I'm back from work, it has already started to get dark or darker. So my video time outside is limited to basically weekends. And that means weekends where there are no other plans. Because I'm still out in the evening and nights during the week, but there is no video light. But hopefully I'm able to have some weekends, and very soon I hope to see some snow. So then it would be a lot better, and even though light conditions are not good, they are much better when you have some snow. In the end of September, I was away on a 5-day survival course. It was pretty fun. It was raining all the time. And by all the time I mean there's almost no stop. It was raining every day, and everything was pretty wet. But it was a it was a good experience, and I was there together with my brother, and I think we did it quite well. We had a good time, and it was fun. So it's something I would like to do again. My original plan today was to go to this mountain top, about 1500 meters above sea level. But I'm been watching the web cameras around those areas, and it has been like this, very foggy, all days. So then I decided to do this canoe trip instead. So thank you for joining me on this trip. It's highly appreciated, and I really hope to see you guys back very, very soon on my channel. So just remember, visit my webpage and the Facebook society. I will link them in the video, so it should be easy to find them. Okay, goodbye, stay safe, and happy weekend.